Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Tom at Gas. Today we've got an R53 Mini in, little track day Mini. The customer's asked us to source a second-hand gearbox with an LSD, which we managed to find. So we're going to fit that today along with a new clutch kit. Gone for a LUK Clutch Kit. So yeah, we'll do a little time lapse of us installing the gearbox and clutch and hope you all enjoy. So here's the Mini. It's all stripped out inside. Like I say, it just uses it for track. We've done a few previous upgrades on it. Supercharger, smaller pulley. It's been remapped, bigger intercooler. So yeah, just now for the gearbox with the LSD. See how it gets on around the track.
Let's keep on dancing.
There it is, gearbox is out on the floor, the old clutch. Slightly worn, but still a little bit of life left on it. Looks like the original mini clutch, unless it's been changed that mini, but you never know. Yeah, a bit of a pig to do, to be honest. I went a slightly different way than what I've seen on YouTube and other people doing them in the past, where they've dropped the rear subframes. But I thought as the front end's off, perhaps we could just pull the engine and gearbox forward and get it out that way. But yeah, it was a pain. It was a struggle. I think it's a struggle either way, to be honest. I'm not too keen on removing the subframes because then your steering geometry's all out and you risk having to realign the car and the tracking. But yeah, I mean, everyone has their own preferences. I mean, what do you guys think? Subframe on or off? Yeah, let us know. Yeah, I think either way it's a pain. Ideally you want two people on the job. I mean, as you can see, just one person's a bit of a struggle. But there's a new gearbox, well, used gearbox to go on with the limit slip diffing, brand new LUK clutch to go in. So we'll see what joys we got trying to put it back in. I'll do another time lapse of me getting it back in, and hope you all enjoy. So the engine and gearbox is all mounted back into the vehicle. Again, a bit of a struggle on your own. Ideally you want two people if you're thinking about carrying out the job yourself. But it can be done with one person. So yeah, that'll be it for today. And I'll finish it all off tomorrow, Monday morning. So at least the majority is done today. So that would help me out tomorrow then. But yeah, all back in the vehicle. See how it performs. Thanks for watching, guys and girls, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll keep posting some more videos for you all.